Hi, this is my project for automation of manufacturing systems. This is the final project of pick and place operation in the software RoboDK. So we'll start with three pallets, two robotic arms, and one conveyor. The purpose of this is that from one pallet, the robot transport pick and place the boxes to the conveyor. The conveyor starts running, and then the second robotic arm picks up from the conveyor the boxes and place it on the pallets. Then for starters, we have the code. We use as the base the code from the example 6C. The first one we have is the set simulation params. So for example, for this is where we modified in the first stage the size of the box, the amount of boxes, and the speed of the conveyor. This is practically the same code that was on the example. Then we have the second code that is prepared for simulation. This is where we set up for it to be random in color. We have established 12 boxes. Then we have the simulate camera, where where the robot can see the boxes. This it was the same as the past example, and this will help the robot to see and classify the color of the boxes. Then we have the parts of the conveyor. This is basically where the robot picks up the boxes from the conveyor from the pallet and place it on the conveyor. And the second code is the parts from the pallet. This is very important because it is when it classifies depending on the color in which pallet it's gonna place it. For example, in pallet B, it's gonna place it on the red boxes, and in pallet C, it's gonna place the green ones. This is a code that we use that depending on the color that the robot identifies is going to place the boxes. We use the same code as the one that it was previously given to us. So that was easy for us to do the code. And finally, we can see the simulation of the program. It picks up each box and places it on the conveyor. The conveyor starts moving. The robot B waits till he sees the boxes in its working area, and then picks it up and place it on the pallet. As you can see, it recognized that it was a red box and placed it on the other pallet apart from the one that is the green boxes. It puts them in the arranged form of 2 by 3, 2 by 3 by 2, and that's the function of our final project. Thank you very much.